Welcome to Infinity Collectors. I'm Draco. I'm a huge collector of 80s, 90s comics, cards, pogs, action figures, Marvel Legends, all the Hasbro stuff, you name it. Helmets, oh my god, all kinds of stuff. What is this channel about? Well, let me tell you. 8 years ago, I started collecting. I was really depressed, and nothing was making me happy anymore. And I started collecting Marvel action figures, the old Toy Biz ones from the 90s and other things, and it brought me back to life. It made me feel again, and I was just hooked on it, and I was stoked. I started this channel a little while back, about a year ago. Wasn't too serious about it, but now I am, and I can't wait to bring you unboxings, reviews, and show you these new Marvel Legends, Star Wars, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, and Hasbro stuff that I'm going to be focusing on. It still is a community, and we will be doing polls. I'll be responding to comments and interacting with you guys, and I really look forward to that and meeting you other Infinity Collectors. Are you a true believer? Then believe in this channel, help me out, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's do this. More to come.